Question 24. This is the 3 marks question. Many students lose these 3 marks. Why? Because it's reverse percentages. You can now pause the video and try it yourself. So let's do it. The question says, in a sale, all normal prices are reduced by 17%. The sale price of a fridge is 6,225 rupees. Work out the normal price. The first thing you need to know, if the prices are reduced by 17%, that means you are going to pay 17% less. The original price is always 100%. You will not pay this 17%, so it's 100% minus 17%. So people will pay 83%. That means this 6,225 rupees are 83% of some number. To find that, there are different ways. I like this way, it's easy. Divide by 83 to get just 1%. And divide this by 83 to get what's the value of 1%. So we divide by this number. So 6,225 divided by 83 is going to give you 75. And that's 1%. Since we are looking for the normal price is always 100%. So we multiply by 100 to get 100%. 1% times 100 is 100%. And 75 times 100 is 7,500. So the original price is 7,500. Was it easy? 3 marks already. Now, let's go to the next question. Question 25. Oh, standard form. You can pause and try this.